Cody and I decided to come to Eyes on Design car show and didn't expect to see the new Z. Now, a lot of you guys gave us massive shit because we did a comparison without the car actually being here. So it's safe to say Tony and I are pretty flabbergasted by this thing right now and completely caught me off guard. I love it. I love it. Those taillights are sick. Even like the subtle sculpture of the oh my, look at the yellow glowing into the 240. Wow. It still has hips on it. Wow, that is a great car. The wheels are awesome. Nice color too. I guess we can take a look at the inside. Wow. Still some similarities, feels. I mean, I just got out of my Z to get here, but yeah, it's pretty sick. Wow. Headlights are pretty cool. Love how simple it is. I can't wait to see this turn on later, the light graphic. Man. And the hood sculpture too, you can kind of see the similar between there and here. The paint is amazing in person. You can see the flake in there. For some reason, yellow looks different online. But man, that's badass. Whoa. Yeah, I'm gonna try just to get a ton of close-ups. I like this whole katana sword thing. Yeah, wow. I mean, look, it's glowing into the side over there.
You see it's already tracking all the flies.
Oh yeah.
They love this yellow.
Oh, yep, they're everywhere. Man, that's a beautiful car. There's a close-up of the exhaust tips. Yeah, you can see some Infiniti reference there, but the sculpture, even in the black, is really nice. How many of you guys are actually gonna wrap this more in black to have a thicker piece? Wow. I do like the addition of the spoiler there. That looks good. The wheels are sweet. It's a 275 35 R19 in the rear. Let's go see what the front is like. Damn, it's hot as hell out here. The front is a 255 40 R19. This gold paint on the wheels is pretty sick. Again, same caliper size as a 370. A lot of similarities. Close up of the mirror. Finally get a turn signal in the mirror. 370 didn't have that. IP from a driver view. And the interior, man, the interior. Steering wheel is sick. I do like that more than my 370. I will say though that they did do some carryover parts, but overall it does look really good. And what's nice is it actually has a second cup holder if you move that back, because that was my biggest complaint. You go to Starbucks and get 2 drinks and you have to hold one while you shift. It sucks, but dude, this is dope. Oh my God. Okay, B-roll stuff. Holy shit, it's beautiful. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. It's not very loud. Oh, I'm like screaming inside right now. This is great. This is better than Christmas.